Hey everyone, so here's a review on the Shark AI vacuum and mop. So it comes with a mop reservoir and a mopping pad. So all you do is you put your mopping solution in this and you close it. And that is if you're gonna mop. And what you do is you just slide it in here until it clicks. And then when it does that, this will show white. It's showing red now just because I don't have any solution in there right now. The nice thing about it is that it does have an app. So when you first get it, you want to download the app and then you have it map your entire home. So that way you can tell it where your hardwood floors are and where your carpet or your rugs are. So then it will know not to put any of the mopping solution on the carpet. Instead, it will just know that it needs to vacuum there instead. So I am incredibly busy and I don't ever want to vacuum or mop. So this has been an absolute game changer. I will say I use it very frequently. And so it really is for the working busy mom or anyone else who's just tired of mopping and vacuuming. This is for you.